In the following, we're going to have a look how to use the simulation object in the KNX Suntracer Pro. First up, in the global facade settings, you need to activate the use of simulation objects. Next up, you need to go into the individual facade and activate those simulation objects. I have done this in advance and also linked the group addresses to save a little bit of time. Next up, you can use the filter function quite well. I just typed in sim so I can have a look at all the simulation objects. And before we can go on with the next step of the simulation, we will need to use the facade 1 simulation object and send a 1. Okay, we have started the simulation again, and first off we need to start the simulation objects, and we're going to do this with the group address 016, where we need to send a 1 on the bus to start the simulation. In the next steps, we will go from one object to another one and give them a value. For example, here 0 meters per second. In the wind blocking object, we will just use the off. For the wind alarm, we will keep it as off also. And we continue from one group address to the next one. This is all just very basic examples. Where it's gonna be quite interesting is gonna be in the following objects, where we will give the time and date, which we will do in a second. Now, here we can set today's time and date. And with the help of those values, the weather station can already calculate the position of the sun, and you can see in the simulation how the blinds would move accordingly. Next up, we change the value. So here we can see the blinds are now closing off, and you can see the angle of the sun has changed accordingly. And we can change it back again, and we see the former value. With the help of the simulation that I have just presented, you can check how the facade will behave according to different values that are perceived by the sensor. This is good to check the feasibility and if the programming of the facade is correct.